Southeast Nigeria, a region known for commerce, resilience, innovation, and enterprise. For decades, its people built wealth through trade, manufacturing, and migration, often without government support. But today, something historic is happening. Across Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, and Anambra, state governments are launching ambitious infrastructure projects. Not just roads, but cities, hospitals, ports, refineries, railways, and universities, designed to reposition the Southeast as one of Africa's most competitive regions. In this video, we explore 10 visionary state-sponsored projects, either under construction or officially proposed, that could propel the Southeast Nigeria into a new era of prosperity. This is the future being built. Imagine a city where patients from across Africa come for world-class healthcare instead of flying abroad. This is the vision behind Abia Medical City, planned as a 1,000-bed medical metropolis. This project will include teaching hospitals, research institutes, diagnostic and surgical centers, hotels and residential zones. Beyond healthcare, it will create thousands of skilled jobs and medical tourism from the region, turn Abia into West Africa's medical hub. For the first time, Southeast Nigeria is positioning itself not just as a commercial center, but a healthcare powerhouse. Abia's industrial port city, Abia State. Abia's coastline holds one of the region's greatest untapped assets. The Abia Industrial Port City project aims to develop a deep-sea port zone and industrial corridor along the state's coastal axis, transforming Abia into a logistics, manufacturing, and export gateway. If completed, this single project could end Southeast dependence on Lagos ports, cut import and export costs for businesses, create a massive industrial ecosystem. This is not just a port, it is a gateway to global trade for the entire Southeast. Abia Modular Refinery, Abia State. Southeast Nigeria sits close to major hydrocarbon deposits, yet relies heavily on imported refined fuel. The Abia Modular Refinery project aims to change that by refining crude locally. The project will create direct industrial jobs, lower logistic costs, power local manufacturing, strengthen energy independence. Combined with the industrial port city, Abia is quietly positioning itself as an energy and industrial production hub, something never seen before in the region. Enugu 300-bed specialist hospital, Enugu State. Enugu has long been the medical heart of Eastern Nigeria. Now, the state government is taking that legacy to another level with a 300-bed ultra-modern specialist hospital project designed to deliver advanced surgery, trauma and emergency services, specialist diagnostics, teaching and research capacity. This hospital will reduce medical referrals outside the region and strengthen Enugu's role as the healthcare capital of Eastern Nigeria. Enugu Rail Project, Enugu State. For decades, rail transportation vanished from Southeast Nigeria, crippling industrial logistics. Enugu State is now pushing for a state-backed rail network, connecting Enugu to major commercial hubs across the region and beyond. If realized, this rail system would slash transport costs, boost manufacturing and trade, decongest highways, integrate Southeast cities economically. This is infrastructure, not just for transport, but for regional economic unification. Ebonyi ICT University, Ebonyi State. While many regions invest only in roads and buildings, Ebonyi is investing in human capital for digital future. The Ebonyi ICT University of Science and Technology is being developed as a technology-focused state university, specializing in artificial intelligence, software engineering, robotics, data science, emerging technologies. This project positions Ebonyi and the entire Southeast as a future tech talent engine for Africa, not just consumers of technology, but creators of it. Imo Medical City, Imo State. Imo State is also developing a medical city project designed as a modern healthcare ecosystem, combining teaching hospitals, research centers, diagnostic hubs, residential and commercial districts. This will strengthen Imo's role in medical education, tourism, and healthcare innovation, while reducing outbound medical travel. Together with Abia and Enugu's hospital projects, the Southeast is building what could become Nigeria's strongest regional healthcare network. Anambra's industrial parks and automotive city, Anambra State. Anambra is Nigeria's manufacturing heartland, and the state government is scaling this legacy through state-backed industrial parks and automotive production zones. These zones are designed to attract vehicle assembly plants, support manufacturing SMEs, boost exports, create tens of thousands of jobs. This is how regional industrial clusters are born, and Anambra is positioning itself as the industrial engine room of the Southeast. Ebonyi Mega Industrial City, Ebonyi State. Ebonyi State is also developing a mega industrial city designed to host agro-processing factories, solid minerals industries, logistics centers, manufacturing clusters. By leveraging Ebonyi's agricultural and mineral resources, this project aims to convert raw materials into finished goods, creating wealth locally instead of exporting unfinished products. This is industrialization done deliberately. Southeast Regional Rail and Transport Corridor, state-driven advocacy. Beyond individual state projects, Southeast governors are collectively advocating for a regional rail and transport corridor connecting Aba, Onitsha, Nnewi, Owerri, Enugu, and Umuahia. Though partly federal in execution, this is a state-driven vision, one that could integrate Southeast cities into a single economic megazone. Because modern economies are not built by isolated cities, they are built by connected regions. For decades, the South has succeeded despite weak infrastructure. Now something unprecedented is happening. Governors are no longer thinking in terms of just roads, just buildings, just projects. They are thinking in terms of medical ecosystem, industrial cities, rail networks, knowledge economies, energy independence. This is not just development, this is economic repositioning. And if these projects succeed, Southeast Nigeria will not only rise, it will redefine what regional development looks like in Africa. Southeast Nigeria is not waiting for the future, it is building it. From medical cities and industrial hubs to rail lines and technology universities, a new Eastern Nigeria is quietly rising, powered by vision, leadership, and possibility. But infrastructure alone doesn't change destiny, people do. If you believe in the rise of Southeast, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this story with someone who believes in Nigeria's future. Now tell me in the comments, which of these projects excites you the most and why? This is not just development, this is Southeast Nigeria rising.